Okay, so let's go backwards naman. So from number of particles, pabalik tayo to moles and then to mass. So ito naman yung approach. So from number of particles, you have to divide it by the Avogadro's number to get to the corresponding amount in moles. And then from moles, you have to multiply it by the molar mass to get the corresponding mass. So same thing that we did earlier. Say for example, number of particles to moles, you have to set it up, divide by the Avogadro's number. And this is how your equation should look. So to obtain or to calculate the number of the amount of a substance in moles, you have to divide the number of particles. So it could either be molecules or atoms by the Avogadro's number. So again, dimensional analysis, this is how you set it up. Dapat at the end of the day, you are gonna get the right units. So, practicein nyo to ng practicein sa bahay. Kasi kapag napaka-natural na sa inyo na mag-set up ng ganitong equations, even without the numbers, you will reach a point na yung calculations na to, if i-flip nyo na lang sa utak nyo, hindi na kayo magsa-scratch papers. Alright. So example, so if you have 3.011 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of water in a cup, how many moles of it do you have? So convert natin yung number ng molecules ng water into moles. So yeah, this is the equation. So 3.011 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of water divided by the Avogadro's number, which is 6.0 which is 6.02214 times 10 to the 23rd molecules per mole of water. And so if you set it up that way, di ba napaka-straightforward niya? So mga bata, wag din kayong tamad. So whenever you're setting up equations, always indicate yung inyong units para hindi kayo, kasi pag hindi kayo ganito ka-detailed, mawawala sa utak ninyo kung saan ba yung placement ng units. So when you do dimensional analysis, hindi kayo magkakamali. So in this case, the answer is 0.5000 moles of water. And ito naman, tip din as a way to check from number of elementary particles pabalik sa moles, dapat sobrang mas maliit yung answer. Di ba yung number ng molecules is 3.011 times 10 to the 23rd. Nung convert nyo sa mole, naging 0.5 na lang siya. So that is a way for you to check, ay, tama, mukhang tama yung sagot ko kasi mas maliit. Kapag mas malaki dun sa given, may mali dun sa ginawa ninyo. Alright. When converting moles to mass naman, you just have to multiply the amount in moles by the molar mass. So essentially for this example, so mass is equal to the amount of the substance in mole times the molar mass, which is grams per mole. So with this equation set up, you can cancel yung units. So ang answer dito should be mass in grams. Usually in grams siya ina-express. Okay, so let's tackle one particular example. So ito naman. Okay, convert 0.5 mole of water to its corresponding mass. So sabi natin kanina, all right, the amount in moles multiplied by the molar mass. So 0.5 mole of water multiplied by 18 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass of water. And what you'll actually get would be 9 as an answer. So 9 grams of water. So when converting naman moles to mass, dapat tataas ang number. Kasi, yan, opposite lang nung binigay ko sa inyong tip kanina. So essentially, 'di ba, pabaliktad lang yung ginawa natin. So keep all of these things in mind. Kasi minsan pagka nasa exam na kayo, nagugulo na kayo, ay basta na lang mag-i-input ako sa calculator tapos hindi natural yung pag interrogate ng answer. So now, alam na ninyo na dapat may expectation na kayo na from moles to mass, dapat tataas ang number. Pag mas maliit na number ang nakukuha nyo, ibig sabihin may mali sa ginawa nyong calculation. Alright. So essentially, like putting everything together, ito yung process, this is the process. And ano ba yung nanonotice nyo dito? What you should notice here is the fact that mass, again, yung definition, basic definition natin kanina ng mole concept is that the mole is a quantity that relates a measurable amount of a substance in terms of mass with the number of particles. So technically, itong interrelationship na to, na ipinakita namin sa inyo, ito yung textbook definition. Ito yung textbook definition ng mole concept na technically, ang mole is just a translator between two different descriptors of the amount of a substance. number ng elementary particles, and then kung ano man yung na-measure natin at the macro level. Ito lang yon. Ito yung very important concept that you should have in mind. Kapag ito, kumbaga nakatato na sa utak nyo, kahit tulog kayo, alam nyo kung paano i-visualize yung mole concept. Hindi na kayo may intimidate na paano nga yung pag-compute ng number of particles, paano nga yung pag-compute ng mass. Ito lang, dapat ito yung makabisado nyo, and then you'll do well.